Please don't kill me. Pop, ba, da, pop, 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 pop. Boosh! Can he do it again? Bagoosh! Toasty! Boosh! Just get him some breath mints, this fight will be easier. I believe you. Murder time. Never mind. He seems mildly perturbed. No! You basket of butt cheeks! What's up, buddy? I'm at work on lunch. Just wanted to stop in and say hi. Thank you, buddy. We are trying to murderize Fatalis so I can finish making the best armor in the game. I have a one-shot binder. Guys, give me a thumbs up when you want me to hit him with the one-shot binder.
Thumbs up.
No, they have to give me a thumbs up.
Okay.
Oh, shit. It automatically selected the one-shot binder. Ow. No, 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 no. That was awesome, Hero. I watched you jump up and over that fireball. 15 minutes before hell continues. Is it that bad today, buddy?